Say goodbye to tedious cleaning chores and hello to convenience with the EUREKA E10s Robot Vacuum. This cutting-edge device combines innovative features with powerful performance to deliver a spotless home with minimal effort. Let's explore why the E10s is a game changer for your cleaning routine. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the EUREKA E10s Robot Vacuum into your kitchen. Say farewell to messy cleaning. The EUREKA E10s features a revolutionary bagless self-emptying station that keeps dust and debris at bay for up to 45 days. With its efficient design, you'll save both time and money by eliminating the need for costly dust bags, making cleaning hassle-free and cost-effective. Cleaner and healthier environment. Equipped with a HEPA filter and multi-cyclonic separation technology, the E10s ensures a cleaner and healthier living space for you and your family. The HEPA filter traps allergens and impurities, while the multi-cyclonic technology extends the filter's lifespan, reducing maintenance and enhancing air quality. Powerful suction for deep cleaning. Experience a spotless clean with the E10's 4,000 PA suction power, capable of tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair on both hard floors and carpets. With its advanced cleaning technology, this robot vacuum delivers remarkable results with just one sweep, saving you time and effort. Intelligent navigation for efficient cleaning. Thanks to LiDAR navigation and PSD technology, the E10s navigates your home with precision, avoiding obstacles and ensuring thorough coverage. Its smart sweeping routes minimize repetition and omissions, while the dual brush heads sweep debris into the suction port with ease. Convenient app control. Take control of your cleaning routine with the E10's user-friendly app. Setup is a breeze, and with customizable cleaning settings and accurate mapping, you can tailor the E10s to suit your needs. Schedule cleaning times, set no-go zones, and manage multiple cleaning zones with ease, all from the palm of your hand. Uninterrupted cleaning. With up to 180 minutes of runtime, the E10s ensures uninterrupted cleaning for even the largest homes. When the battery is low, it automatically returns to its base for recharging, ensuring that no spot is left untouched. Why you need it? The EUREKA E10s Robot Vacuum isn't just a cleaning appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With its innovative features, powerful performance, and user-friendly design, this robot vacuum takes the hassle out of cleaning, leaving you with more time to enjoy the things that matter most. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.